Hello from the other side of the world, it's your girl Jelly, and today I'm getting deported from Israel. They just don't want me here anymore, so I guess I have to go back to America, get some work figured out over here so then I can come back and live legally over here. So this is our suitcase that I'm going to be traveling in today. It's just our OGO But you guys, I am gonna miss this view the most. Like, I might miss it more than Elijah Bryant. Just kidding. I love Elijah. So if you're watching this, I'm sorry, babe. I love you. Just kidding. That was kind of cringy. But this view is literally unreal. Look at it. Like, the Red Sea is right there. Okay, hopefully this video is not like that cringy. Okay, so like hopefully this video is not that cringy because I hate it. I don't know, I feel like I make content that like makes me cringe sometimes, so. Okay, so Eliza and I have decided that I'm gonna take just like the bare minimum, like stuff that we don't need. So it makes going home a lot easier on us. So he won the MVP trophy of the tournament, his first tournament here in a lot, and I'm gonna take home the trophy because I really want this safe and I definitely don't want to leave it behind, so I'm gonna take this for sure. I'm just so proud of him because this is so cool. Like, and the cool thing about it is that it has like a number 3 on it. I don't know if you guys can see that. So the guy has a number 3. Like, this is totally him. The only thing that they're missing out is on the hair. They picked the wrong hair for the guy, but no, everything else matches. So another thing that we're taking are his church shoes, just because they take up a lot of space, and when we do live 3 hours away, they said it's a little bit more casual, and we decided that we'd rather spend something at Zara, which is like a lot less expensive, that we can leave here when we're done with our trip, when we're done living here, versus leaving these expensive shoes. So I'm gonna take those back. So our families are also coming to visit us, so it's like they can take some stuff home too when they come to visit us. But I don't know, this is like a free opportunity. I'm going home, so I might as well take as much stuff that we're not gonna need home, so I can bring some more stuff home. Like, I'm gonna buy a comforter and bring it. Hopefully they'll let me go through, but I don't know. So we just need to get rid of some stuff that we don't need. Like, I have a ton of shoes, but all those are my shoes. But I was thinking, like, when we're done living here, I could just throw those all away. So it's not like, because they're not like all that expensive. So I'm like, yeah, some of them I'll be keeping, but some of them I just chuck. But I don't really know what to bring. Okay, so another thing that we got that didn't work out were our converters, and these are seriously one of the main things that we needed, and they didn't work. I think it's just like this is just for Europe, it's not for the Middle East. I don't know, but these didn't work out, and it feels like my blow dryer is gonna catch on fire every time I turn it on, and Elijah's rapid reboot is gonna like blow up because we're not using converters. So I'm gonna definitely go and return them. We bought 3 of them, and they were like pretty expensive. They're like, we bought a few other things, but total was like $100. So we're definitely gonna return these because that's definitely a waste of money, and we need them for sure to, like, you know, blow dry my hair and do this rapid reboot. So if I burn off all my hair, that means that we didn't get the converters, and if Elijah's legs blow up, you know, we just didn't get the converters. So that's a necessity. Okay, so Elijah's about to travel to Tel Aviv on Saturday, and I'm gonna be gone. And usually I like help him pack, just like, you know, go through his bag with him, or like help him make a list, just so you don't forget. And he does the same thing for me, because I feel like when you're under stress and you're about to go on a travel, like on an airplane, I feel like you just get like airplane brain and you just forget everything. So I'm gonna help him pack that really quick, just so he doesn't like forget a toothbrush when he's out on the road, and that would just be horrible. Okay, so here are some of the little basics I packed in his bag. So I packed a toothbrush. I only had big zip-ons, so I had to wrap it up. I packed a ton of emergencies so he doesn't get sick. I packed some Dayquil because I feel like on a flight there's always like a 50% chance that you can get sick and then you can't. So there's some Dove deodorant, and then the rest he can pack. So we only have big toothpaste, so I think that won't work because he's gonna just bring it as a carry-on. So he has to go get a small toothpaste, and then his like cologne and stuff. So I have the trophy in there that I showed you guys, and I just wrapped it up in all my clothes. And this is the mini suitcase, and I'm gonna put this mini suitcase inside this big suitcase because this is under 50 pounds and it's pretty much empty, so I don't have to carry 2 suitcases, and put this in the overhead. Because you guys, that is one of the things I hate to do, is put a suitcase up in the overhead compartment. It's seriously so embarrassing, especially when it's super heavy and big and bulky. I just struggle. So I'm gonna put, it's gonna be like Inception. It's gonna be like a mini suitcase inside a big suitcase. So a lot of you guys might be asking why I'm bringing the mini suitcase. It's because when I come back, I'll have an extra suitcase. So that's why.
This is the last supper with Jelly Bells before she heads back to the US of A. Shout out to xoxo for helping me chase these dreams. You know, they've been with me since my pre-draft workouts, since everything. So shout out to them. They're helping me get these pennies as I travel this world. Let's go. Just updated our phones, and we want to try the new measuring thing out. I'm going to see if it measures me how tall I am. So I'm usually around 6'4", 6'5", with the hair, give or take. So let's see if it's right. Let's see the app, Joe.
Okay. Focus in on the thing. Okay. So you're gonna add your point. We're gonna go all the way down. What does it say you're at? Says you're 5'9", 5'10".
Come on. That's crazy. So obviously this thing is not super accurate, and it's really hard to do it. Like, it really likes to do it on like surfaces like these. So like try it on this, like
Measuring your phone.
Like watch. I'll measure this cup right here. So I take this, I click there. What's to say there? Because it's kind of weird sometimes. And I move it to there. And it says 8.5 inches or what? I don't know. So it does really well when you have like on flat surfaces and stuff like that. But what is our world coming to? That's freaking ridiculous. You can measure stuff with your phone.
Okay guys, so I'm all packed up. And here's my little book bag that I have all packed up. Sorry I didn't show everything, you guys, but I'll show you guys a video of what I bring back into Israel. So
say bye.
Bye.
Say bye to the place.
I'll be
Huh? Hey, mom's gone, so party at the house. Full set for the boys. So yes, of course, we love our xoxo bags, but the way Jen packs, nothing's fitting in the car. I mean, the Rig 9800 wouldn't even fit in the back seat. I mean, they fit in the back seat, but it wouldn't fit in the trunk. And last time, how many bags did we have?
We had 4, so I don't know how we did it. But you guys, like, just to give you a comparison of how big the xoxo bags are, they're the size of our car, pretty much.
Basically. They're
huge, but they're super lightweight, and they're so convenient. They fit, like, so much of your stuff in it, and we love them. So, go check out xoxo.
Jen is gone. don't know how I feel about it. Obviously I'm sad. It's like, it's not that I'm sad because like I can't survive without her. It's just like she's my best friend, you know, like, and I'm not an emotional guy, so it's just like, I don't know, we do everything together, so it's just like, I'm not gonna have my best friend to come home with. Along with that, she makes my life 10 times easier. She makes me the basketball player that I am. I mean, when I come home, I don't have to worry about my clothes being washed or my food being ready. It's like things that I take for granted, and it's just, I want to tell her I'm super grateful for her. And if you have a wife and or a girlfriend that does a lot for you, just tell them thank you. Like, that's the least you can do. But I hope she has a safe flight, and obviously I love her, I'll miss her. And if you guys want to see why she had to leave, just click up here. If you're new to our channel, we're posting every single day for a month, so go ahead and hit the bell notification, get notified when we do post. Again, love you guys, and we'll see you next time.